Welcome to the Crypto Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is 18 September 2024, and we're diving into the latest happenings in the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, World Liberty Financial, a cryptocurrency project with ties to the Trump family, has announced the upcoming launch of a governance token named WLFI. This token is designed for accredited investors only, adhering to SEC Regulation D exemptions due to the regulatory uncertainties in the US. The token will not offer economic rights, but will focus on governance participation. During a live stream on X, which drew over 100,000 listeners, Donald Trump Jr. and Eric Trump shared their insights on decentralized finance, while former President Donald Trump discussed broader crypto public policy. The project reflects the growing intersection of politics and cryptocurrency, especially as the 2024 election looms. Moving on to blockchain technology advancements, RISC Zero has teamed up with Celestia to create Blockstream Zero, a ZKVM-based bridge connecting Celestia's data availability layer to blockchains like Ethereum and Solana. This initiative aims to facilitate modular applications known as ZK coprocessors, enhancing the capabilities of decentralized applications. RISC Zero also launched ZKVM 1.0, offering significant performance improvements and cost-effectiveness. Additionally, they've introduced Steel, a proof library for Ethereum, and Zeth, a Type 0 ZK EVM, to simplify ZK rollup development. Their partnership with Layer N to develop a ZK fraud-proof system further underscores their commitment to advancing zero-knowledge technology. In the realm of minor extractable value, MEV, research highlights over $4 billion in MEV recorded on Layer 2 networks. This includes $3.9 billion in atomic arbitrage and $400 million in sandwich attack volume. Arbitrum's first-come, first-served policy, while efficient, can lead to latency races, favoring those with low-latency infrastructure. Systems like Time Boost and Fastlane offer unique bidding advantages, while the OEV network plans to transition to a sealed bid auction format. These developments underscore the need for Layer 2s to balance MEV capture with user protection and network efficiency. Next, Rise Chain has announced its Gigagas Layer 2 solution, securing $3.2 million in seed funding. This new technology aims to exceed the limitations of current EVM chains by achieving over 1 billion gas per second. Rise's architecture includes a parallel execution engine and a continuous block pipeline to optimize CPU utilization. With backing from notable investors like Vitalik Buterin, Rise is inviting developers to build high-performance dApps on their testnet, aiming to unlock the next generation of Ethereum scalability. Lastly, Zora has launched a new mobile app designed to revolutionize content monetization for creators. The app allows users to earn every time their posts are liked, offering a creator-first alternative to traditional social media. With a user-friendly interface and integrated wallet infrastructure, Zora simplifies the entry into cryptocurrency for users. The app introduces Sparks as an in-app currency for minting content, highlighting a significant advancement in merging social media with blockchain technology. That's all for today's episode of the Crypto Daily News. We hope you found these stories insightful and informative. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories covered today. Join us again tomorrow for more updates from the world of cryptocurrency and blockchain. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the digital frontier.